Hi class! This week I am so excited for what we're going to be learning in math. The skill that we're going to be learning is something that you will use every day, multiple times a day for the rest of your life. Mrs. Stokes uses it all the time, your parents use it all the time, your grandparents use it all the time, your older brothers and sisters use it all the time, and you might not know it yet, but you use it all the time. And that is time. We are always telling time because time is what runs our days. Do you ever hear your parents say, Tommy, it's time for bed? Or Ireland, it's time for dinner? Or Marley, it's time for you to get on the computer to chat with your class, right? It's all about time. Now, you might be wondering, how do they know when it's time for dinner or time for lunch or time to go to school or time to get on the computer? And the answer is they look at a clock. Now, they might have a clock that looks like this on their wall. They might have a clock that they look at that's on their phone that looks like this. They might have a clock on their microwave that looks like this, or they might even have a clock on their wrist that they're looking at to tell the time. So time is very, very, very important. Time is what runs our lives. And after this week, you are going to be able to tell time to the hour. And if you're ready for a real challenge, you'll be able to tell time to the half hour. Stay tuned for more information on how to tell time.